Imagine this. You're about to plug in your device and nothing happens. Frustrating, isn't it? USB and USB-C ports are lifelines for our devices, yet they're often taken for granted until they stop working. Here's why you should consider changing, repairing, or replacing them, and what could lead you to need such services. Firstly, constant use. Every plug and unplug wears down your ports over time, leading to loose connections or failure to charge. Secondly, dirt and debris. The smallest particles can cause the biggest problems by obstructing the connection between your device and its cable. Thirdly, physical damage. Accidental drops or bumps can misalign or damage ports, making them unusable. Lastly, electrical issues. Power surges can fry your ports, leaving them incapable of transmitting power or data. But here's the good news. Minkos Macs is your go-to for all Apple USB and USB-C port repairs and replacements. Starting from just £110, we ensure your ports, and by extension your devices, are always in top working order. Whether it's a MacBook, an iPhone, or any Apple product, we've got the expertise to bring your ports back to life. Visit us at one of our 4 London locations in Camden, Lewisham, Wimbledon, and Shoreditch. We're open Monday to Saturday, 10 a.m. to 7 p.m, and on Sunday by appointment. Don't let faulty ports disrupt your digital life. Trust Minkos Macs for all your USB and USB-C repair needs.